Denon AV receiver, power on. Meron siyang standby, tapos meron siyang pinaka main button. Denon AV receiver, power on. Meron siyang standby, tapos meron siyang pinaka main button. So patugtog tayo ng main button ng power off, power on, play.
It's worked so far, but we're not out yet.
I wanna know what you're thinking.
Lakas.
There are some things you can't hide. I wanna know what you're feeling. Tell me what's on your mind.
Okay, Stereo 7 tayo. Lahat working, lahat ng speaker. Medyo mabigat siya, mabigat-bigat. 100 watts per channel. Pwede magsabay yung EMP. Check tayo ba? Mono Movie, Rock Arena, Jazz Club, video game, Matrix, Stereo 7. Dolby PLX.